Good morning, students. Welcome back once again. This is Asif from Modern International School, Hiswa. So, in this video lecture, we will begin to solve some questions of exercise 3rd, chapter number 3rd, topic decimals, class 7. So, friends, get ready to learn how to solve the questions. Actually, you have to understand the concept, how to approach the answer. Okay, let's get started. See, first, question number 9. In the previous video, we have already solved question number 1 to 7. Okay, now the question number 8 is very easy, similar questions. Now see the question number 9. Here the question is written 1.8 meter of cloth is required for a shirt. How many such shirt can be made from a piece of cloth 45 meter long? Have a look. Suppose the question is says here is this is the cloth. Suppose this is the cloth. Okay. Now the length of this cloth is 45 meter. Okay. And this cloth is, that means we have to find the number of shirts. How many number of shirts that can be made by this 45 meter of cloth. Okay, now that means, and to make a shirt required cloth 1.8 meter. That means एक शर्ट में 1.8 मीटर कपड़े की जरूरत है. Okay, now see, here is the 1.8 meter because we have a 45 meter of cloth. That means, and we have to make a shirt from this meter. Okay, now see this 1.8 meter. Here is 1.8 meter. Suppose we cut down 1.8, 1.8, 1.8 because there is a 1 set, 2 set, 3 set, 4 set, and so. Suppose how many pieces? Suppose this is n pieces. Suppose that means 1.8 meter will go up to n time. That means we can write the 1.8 plus 1.8 plus 1.8 up to n time. Or in multiplicative form we can write down 1.8 multiplied by n. Okay, where n indicates the number of shirts. Okay, now see, here is the total length 45. This n is equal to 45 divided by 1.8. That means we can say in one word, there is the division type of questions. We have to divide this total length by 1.8 meter. So here to make a shirt required cloth is 1.8 meter. Okay, now the number of required shirts is 45 divided by 1.8. so if we remove this decimal here, then you will get 1 0 means tens, as upward means numerator. Now 45 multiplied by 10, and this becomes 18. Okay, 45 multiplied by 10, this becomes 18. Now 9 to 18 or 9 5 ja 45. So here is 5, here is 2. So 2 5 ja 10. This becomes 5 multiplied by 5. That means 5 multiplied by 5 is equal to 25. That means the required shirts 25. This is answer this question. Okay. Question number 10. A car covers a distance of 22.8 km in 2.4 liters of petrol. Okay, how much distance will it cover in 1 liter of petrol? That means the same. This is the similar type of questions. The same question we have to apply. That means here is the also division. That means 22.8 is divided by 2.4 because we have to find in 1 liter. We have to find the 1 liter. How much distance will the car travel? Okay, we have to find in 1 liter. That means this can be goes 22 divided by 2.4 liters. So 1 liter, the total distance. So you can solve as you solve question number 9. Okay, now next question number 11. A tin holds 16.5 liter of oil. Now see question number 11. A tin holds 16.5 liters of oil. How many such tins will be required to hold 478.5 liters of oil. See, it's a very simple question. Suppose instead of 16.4, if we place the 2 liters, suppose 2 liters, or here suppose 20. Suppose, let us see, a tin holds 2 liters of oil. Okay, how many such tins will be required to hold 20 liters of oil? Let us see the total liters in oil. Total liters of oil, 20 liters. Okay, 20 liters. Total oil is equal to 20 liters. And now one tin can hold 2 liters. Okay, then how many tins? How many such tins that can hold all the oil? That is 2 liter, 2 liter, 2 liter, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 2 liter, 2 liter, and 2 liter. Now let us see. 2 liter here. Here is 2 liter, 2 liters, 2, 2, 2. Here is also 2. That means 2 plus 2 plus 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. That means total covers 20 liter. That means the answer is here. Answer is 10 tins. That means why 10 comes? Yes, it's very simple. That means we have to divide this 20 by 2. This 20 by 2 becomes 10. We have to find the clue how to solve the question. Okay, and we have to create the concept to approach the question. The same question is here. Okay, because here is the decimal type, so it's very difficult us to understand. First of all, 18 has holds 16.5. That means here we have also divide this numbers by 16.5. As look, have a look. 18 holds oil 16.5 liter. Okay, and total oil 478.5 liter. Okay, now the required tins means we have to solve as it is. The required tin is this divided by 16.5, whatever the answer is. Okay, and you can easily solve this question. Okay, you can easily calculate it. Okay, now see friends, last question number 16. How many pieces of plywood, have a look, how many pieces of plywood, each 0.35 centimeter thick, are required to make a pile 1.89 meter high? Okay, that means there are plywoods. Suppose we consider, let us figure out this question with the help of these examples. Okay, suppose instead of 2 meter, here is, have a look, suppose 2 centimeter. Okay, here suppose 2 meter. Okay, here suppose 12 meter. Now that means this question says we have to find the number of pieces. Okay, and each plywood carries 0.35 centimeter. Instead of 0.35 centimeter, we take 2 meters. That means here is the 2 meter, here is the heap. Have a look, here is the pile. That means there is a collection of plywoods, 1, 2, 3, 4, whatever the numbers, and the total height is given 12 meter. Suppose instead of 1.89 meter, says 12 meter. Okay, in order to understand only. Okay, now see, the total height is 12 meter high. Okay, because one plywood is over, place the another plywood, place the another plywood, place the another plywood, becomes the total height 12 meter high. The question says how many pieces of plywoods, each of thickness 2 meter. Suppose here is the 2 meter thickness, 2 meter, here is the 2 meter, 2 meter, 2 meter, 2 meter, here is the 2 meter. Okay, this is the suppose 3-dimensional figure, 2 meter. That means how many pieces? We can easily count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Here is the 6 pieces. So the number 6 is, what is the clue to find out the number 6? It's a symbol, because we are going to understand this activity to solve this question. You can easily find out the 6. Suppose 12 divided by 2, this becomes 6. That means we have to divide this number here, the 12, 1.89 meter, divided by this 0.35. But one thing is important. First of all, change this meter into centimeter, and now we can write out this is centimeter. That means we have to multiply we have to multiply 1.89 multiply by 100. This becomes 189 centimeter. Okay, because 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter. Now the required number of plywoods, how many required pieces of plywood is equal to 1.89. that means 189. Here is the centimeter, we have to add this number 189 divided by 0.35. okay, now if we eliminate this decimal, as here how many zero, this is 2 times 0 with 1. okay, now we have to, here is the 7 5s are 35, here 7 2s are 14, 4 is here, when the 49, 7 7 is 49. now 5 2s are 10, 1 0, that means 27 multiplied by 20, this becomes 27 2s are 54, single 0. This number of pieces with each 0.35 thickness is 540. This is answer. okay, simply question, in the questions from 8 to 17 only we can divide. okay, now first understand, then solve the questions. I hope you get the point. You will get the point. Homework, write on the homework, question number 8 to 17. okay, have a nice day. Thanks a lot.